Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable hover actions in Gmail on your PC. Hover actions in Gmail allow you to perform quick actions on emails by simply hovering over them. However, if you find this feature distracting or want to customize your email experience, disabling hover actions can be a great option. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to disable hover actions in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the section labeled Hover Actions. Click on Disable Hover Actions. That's it. You have successfully disabled hover actions in Gmail. Now, you won't have quick actions enabled by hovering over emails. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.